it looks like it actually kind of looks like it's like the off-brand vlog escape. What the heck is this dude doing? This guy sucks. What is this? This is Blue Moon now? Oh, this is cool. Wait, how is he jumping out? That's my question. How is he jumping high and how is he staying up? How long is this? Okay. So, we started playing the game. So, I'm about to, I'm waiting for this dude to, like, win. Oh, shoot. This is, like, Tower of Hell. But, it's different version. Wait, what are we supposed to do? What is this? This is totally not Flowscape. Oh my god. What are we doing? Is that like the Christmas version? Oh my god. This is not Flowscape. This is a fake version of Flowscape. Oh, this is the Christmas version. Oh, that's cool. Have they added the Christmas stuff on Flowscape yet? But no. Whoa! No! Can't die. Guys, I'm super bad. I have not played on mobile for a while. I'm moving to PC, guys. So, that's why I've been not recording. I'm sorry. You know what? Oh, shoot. Please. Please. Off-brand of Flowscape. Come on, I can't. This is like, what's this? Like crazy. No! No! How are you supposed to win this? Okay, guys, I'll try like 2 more times and I'm quitting this game, bro. I'm not playing this game ever again. Can someone already win? What is this? Oh, this is more harder. You know what? I should just play this game on PC. I don't know how to record on PC though. Oh yeah, guys, I have a new Discord link. I put it on the shorts. But yeah, I have a Discord link. I can put it in the link in the description. Check out my Discord. Yeah. So yeah, no joke. I actually have a Discord. You know. I actually do not know. These guys are. Oh wait, it's the same thing as ours. You literally have an option. How's the game is about to end? The game is about to end, I think. Bro. Nah, there's no way. How are they still... Bro, this is why. How are they not dead? That's my question. How are they not dead? Quit the game, bro. Oh my god. God dang, I didn't really play. Guys, I didn't really play. I'm already ending, guys. I hope we don't. I'm just kidding. Is this the same game? This is literally the same. Oh no, it isn't. Wait, whoa, why is there more gravity? Do that. I died because of my stupid phone. No. Oh! Wait. So lucky. Bro, stop. Oh, that was luck, guys. That was just luck. Come on, guys. Where my name is Stace. My name is Sus. Oh my god. I don't know how to put. Ow! So much. It's not the same anymore. It's harder. Oh no. It's way different on phone. Now I can tell. It's easier on PC now. Because I've been playing on PC for like, I think like already three weeks. But yeah. Oh shoot. Guys, I'm gonna mess up. How do I cannot see. This is the only reason I'm messing up, because I can't see. Why does it do that? Wait, there's buttons? Hey, I didn't know there's buttons. Exit! It literally said exit. How am I not dead? I'm literally better on PC. There's no way I'm that bad. What the frick? What the prick? I'm scared. Guys, I'm actually scared. I don't know how I'm scared, but I don't even know where to go. Yeah, this way. Oh! Still not up here. How are they ahead? What is this? I can actually do with the shift. It says shift lock. You can do that on the freaking PC more easily, but you can't do it on the phone. Well, I just did it right now. I don't know how. but it's way harder. That's the troublemaker. I always get troublemaker. Oh, I almost fell. I don't know why I went that way. I saw that dude coming. See, I can do the shift lock. Nah, let's think. It's easier to do this on phone. You don't have to bring out PC. You just do the shift lock with it. Oh, come on! Bro, go up! Bro, it was not letting me go up! My God. I'm playing a different one. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys next time. No, oh my God. No, I think man, how are they still alive? This is the same server. Wait. You will join next round. What do you mean? This is normal? This is not normal. This is extreme. Imagine saying it's normal. Oh wait, next round. Next round, let's go. Okay, one more round, guys. One more round. What the hell? Oh. Hurry. Oh shoot, I messed up. Guys, there's so much people. Like, get out of my freaking way. This is not normal. This is extreme. Or not extreme, I guess it's normal. I didn't know I can do that. I'm a cheater, guys. Let's jump. I didn't know you can do that either. I don't know how I survived that anyways. Oh my God. You don't even have to slide. It's the easy part. Come on. My name is Sus. And I just fell. Like many times. Baller. Swear. Like that's a new thing. Baller's a new thing. Like, come on, like, that thing is famous already. Like, it's not even that funny, but it's pretty funny, but it's a new thing now, because now people are freaking dressing like Baller. And freaking having their display name as Baller. I cannot get up. See, this is the only problem I have. Okay, seriously, actually play. I'm serious, guys. I'm actually acting so serious. I'm not kidding anymore. Almost messed up right there. You can't do that. This is not float escape, dummy. I'm more dumb. I'm dumb. I'm dumber. Not smarter. I don't know how I survived that anyway. I don't know where to go. That was just luck. No. Oh my God! Oh, I'm still surviving this. Yeah, he's more smarter than me. I can't even do that. Oh, yeah, we can. It says, yes, you can do it. Come on, we at least have to win this. One thing. Of course, when I say that, something new happens. Right? Right, guys? Woo! Woo! You already be dead in this game if you do that. This game is so freaking fake. Oh my God. Honestly, I do not care, but if I win, you guys have to join my Discord. Okay. If you guys don't want to join my Discord, well, that's fine. But just saying, if I win, you guys have to try to at least do my Discord. And I do not know. I quit this game. What was I thinking? Literally, this guy was hacking. So he hacked the whole time. I quit. I didn't mean to. Oh, I didn't mean. Oh God. Oh guys. I know. I knew this was going. I always get. Oh no. That when I fall. You know what? I'll play this game one more time. One more time. I'm going fast. If I die, if I touch the water, guys, don't screw the game. I hate you. Oh, you can't touch the water, remember. You're not the water. Water. Only next year. This one, okay, guys? Real. Honestly. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Woo! I just did it. So, guys, I see you guys tomorrow. But yeah, guys. Woo! I'm still alive, though. Somehow I'm still alive. But you guys have to join my Discord if I win, okay? Woo! This again. If I die, you do not have to join my Discord. You can. Back at the same thing every time. Back at it again. Woo! I almost died there, and then I just died again. Woo! I love God. Oh my God. Come on, guys. We gotta win. You know? Oh. Oh no. Not this. Woo! I'm still alive, guys. Still alive. I actually do know where to go. Smart. Don't, you guys guys, you have to be smart, not think harder. Oh shoot. Guys. Oh, he's coming up.